All right, so one thing, this was all blocked off with a bunch of rocks and stuff. Let's see, I don't know why this is so full of stuff. It's not gonna work. I don't even know how that got like that. Let's see here. We're gonna need to cut. Okay, so this all fell apart. All right, so I got it secure again. I screwed it down real good. Gave it a bunch of new screws all the way around. So that locked it back to where it goes in terms of the main piece. Probably get a brace here if we can get one around it. All right, so I've re-secured everything down all the way up to the gutter part, all secure to here. So now it's not bouncing around no more. It's secured to the wall, good to go. This piece is locked in place, and then it comes down, and then it's inserted deep into the pipe right about here. The other one was just kind of taped on there, so this is literally into the PVC, and then I caulked around the edges where it connects. So that's all going to be watertight all the way around, so it's all good to go. Good to go. Looks a lot better.